you haven't heard of DTF Station, are you really printing direct to film? They make everything from the printers, the shakers, all the gear you need to turn your ideas into real final products. And today, we're getting a sneak peek at all their new equipment. And joining us from DTF Station, we got Vincent Herrera in the house to show us exactly what they've been working on and how it works.
Hey everyone, we have a lot of cool new equipment to show you. Let's dive in. A lot of printers can print DTF, but not a lot of DTF printers have 9 colors, 6 print heads, and 36-inch print width. This is the Prestige X6 by DTF Station. It is our first time getting into the industrial space for real production users.
That's crazy. I haven't really seen anything like this before in my experience. That print width, that many print heads, that many colors. I gotta ask you, what's a realistic expectation as far as your print speed and a sellable resolution with a machine like this?
Yeah, when I'm gonna give you numbers, this is print ready. I'm gonna sell to my customer. We're looking at about 180 to 200 plus square feet per hour.
That's wild. I gotta hear a little bit about what was the motivation that really went into this machine, and in your opinion, who's the ideal customer base that this kind of machine is built for?
Yeah, we had this by demand. You guys have been asking for a larger machine. You guys love the 9 colors, so we wanted to add more print heads, keep the 9 color system, because once you print 9 color, you're never gonna go back to CMYK. And so this machine was really built for you at home, the big screen print operations, the industrial users that need the speed, need the volume.
And that color accuracy. Now, all that sounds great. Extra print width, additional colors, additional print head. I can only imagine the type of powder machine we need to keep up with that kind of production.
Yeah, this is the Seismo V36R. It is large to keep up with the actual print speed, and so we needed a longer dryer, but we kept the auto recirculation with our vacuum system and our secondary purification system. This is the whole setup that you need to run mass production at your print shop.
The Prestige X6 is really unlike anything else we've seen really in the direct-to-film world. That's crazy. Now, I gotta ask, we talked about DTF. You got anything for us with the UVDTF?
Oh, we got a new machine over there that I wanna show you. Let's go check it out.
Let's go
So unlike traditional DTF, UVDTF, like the Aries 213, is made for hard substrates, and traditional DTF is for all your apparel or fabric materials.
We're big fans of the Aries line. 213, kind of a new contender in the fight. What makes this machine stand out from the rest of the lineup?
Yeah, so you might be familiar with the Aries 113. This is actually replaced it. It's the Aries 213. Right away, you're gonna notice a much smaller footprint, but we've actually added a bunch of different features to it. The biggest one that I like is actually the purifier, so there's no UV trade show smell when you're operating the machine. The biggest change up to the machine is that it has a single i3200 HD print head. The colors are vibrant, and it's easier to maintain one print head than 2.
No, absolutely. And that i3200 HD print head, more nozzles, more channels, more color, more accuracy I feel on there. It sounds like a lot of features in a smaller factor form.
It definitely has a smaller factor form, but again, reality is one print head, it's actually an industrial print head. It's easier to maintain than 2. You're getting all the awesome features of the Aries 113, smaller footprint, it's just all upgraded.
This all sounds great. In your opinion, what primary customer, who do you think is ideally suited for something like the Aries 213?
Yeah, anyone that's already in DTF needs to be doing UVDTF. It's a service that if you're not offering, you're missing out on a big customer base. But really it's meant for anything customized. So drinkware, tumblers, windows, walls, decals. It is a nice sticker / decal that you can apply to pretty much anything. So if you're not doing it, you need to.
So between the Prestige and the Aries lines, you can really DTF everything with DTF Station. I know you guys got some more goodies. What else can you show us?
Yeah, let's go check it out. We have a bunch of cool equipment over here.
Let's go.
All right, so after the printing's done, the next step is the cutting, and that's where the ARC 136 really shines. All you're gonna do is take that full completed roll, DTF, UVDTF, does not matter. You're gonna hook it up to the take-up reel and let the cutter do the work. It's gonna cut out perfect squares every single time, or it's gonna contour cut your UVDTF. This is a bottleneck eliminator, and it's the ARC 136.
No, this thing looks sleek, and at 36 inches wide, I can only imagine the high volume production shops where this will address that cutting bottleneck. So let's say we got our ARC 127, 136, slice and dice, all our brand new transfers, they're ready to be applied. You got anything for us there?
Oh, we got tons of heat presses to show you. Let's go check it out.
Let's take a look.
All right, so we're here next to our 2 newest pieces of equipment, our Prisma Hex, which has never been before seen, and our Prisma Dual, which is actually ready to ship as of now. 2 different heat presses for 2 different customer bases. We have our Hex, which has 2 heat presses, 6 station, and it's gonna be modular. We're gonna be able to attach a bagger, a placer. It's gonna be a fully automated system. And then of course we have our old reliable, our dual station heat press, which has automatic mode, semi-automatic, 10 different presets. You come from a heat pressing background, you know how heat press fatigue is a real thing. The Prisma Dual is a perfect addition to anybody's DTF setup.
No, these both look great. And like you said, tailored for different businesses at different stages of their progress. I mean, from the larger format printers, the high-tech shakers, the new and upgraded cutters, you guys have pretty much automated every step of direct-to-film, haven't you?
Yeah, that is our goal, to make it as easy as possible to get into direct-to-film, and now we're scaling with your business. There is a product for you at DTF Station, but that's not all we have. Let's go check it out. All right, right next to us is the Fold Flex 100. This has kind of been the star of the show. Let me show you how easy it is.
We got time for a demo?
We're gonna load this. You're gonna push the button for me, actually. Step on the pedal S. Right there, one time. And we're gonna watch it drop. This is our stacking mode. We can stack up to 12 shirts at a time, or we have our bagging mode. At DTF Station, we're thinking about everything, from the printing, to the cutting, to the heat pressing, to the bagging. It's all about that customer experience, and that's what we're doing here.
That's a lot of new goodies and some high-tech equipment, like you mentioned, for really every step of your printing business. You can find it all at aprintsupplyco.com. So new printers, new shakers, new accessories, new auxiliary equipment, astounding lineup from DTF Station as usual. Super excited. Vince, I want to thank you so much for your time. Welcome us into the booth. Appreciate showing our audience your new toys.
Yeah, thank you, Esteban, for stopping by and checking out all that DTF Station has to offer, our new equipment and equipment that's ready to go.
Guys, you'll be able to find all of this at our website, aprintsupplyco.com. And don't forget, if you'd like to see a live, in-person, or virtual demonstration on any of this new equipment, you always have our Southern California location as well. Drop all your questions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.